Hello students, today in our maths class we will start totally a new chapter, exponent. Exponent looking like a word just like explosion. Yes, just like an explosion. When I say 2 to the power 6, suppose I have 2 to the power 6 and when it will explode, number of 2's will come out. So that is what 2 to the power 6. If I will say 3 to the power 10, then it means the number of 3's will explode out. So the thing exponent, but actually we are doing exponent. What is exponent? Suppose 2 is multiplied by itself several times, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Suppose 6 times, then how I will write it? 2 to the power 6. And 2 to the power 6 is the exponential form of 2 multiplied 6 times. And if suppose 3 multiplied 8 times, so 3 to the power 8. And that is what 3 to the power 8 is the exponential form of 3 multiplied by itself 8 times. Okay. So this is what this I said to you. This is the exponential form of this 2 multiplied by 2 6 times. Now this is the power, which is actually we call exponent of the exponential form. So 6 is the exponent and this 2 is known as the base. This 2 to the power 6, I'll read in this way, 2 to the power 6, where 2 is the base and 6 is the exponent, and this 2 to the power 6 is the exponential form of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means 2 6 times. In the same way, suppose I multiply, it means 2 multiplied 6 times is 2 to the power 6, or you can say that is equal to 64, because 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32, 32 to the 2 to the 32 to the 64. So 64 is equal to 2 to the power 6. Now if I write 5 into 5, then how I will write it in exponential form? 5 to the power 2. So this is the exponential form of this 5 into 5, where 2 is the exponent and 5 is the base. And what is its value? 5 square value is 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. In the same way, if I take 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 multiplied 4 times. This is the exponential form of 3 multiplied 4 times by itself. So here 4 is what? Exponent, and 3 is the base. So I have written here 4 exponent, 3 is the base. And when you multiply 3 4 times, then you will get 81 the value. 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 is 27, and 27 3 is 81. And it means 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. If it is minus, like minus 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, minus 5 to the power 2. Okay, minus 5 to the power 2, it means minus 5 into minus 5. And I know that minus into minus is plus, that is why 5 5s are 25. And here what is the base? Base is 5 and power is 2. So 2 is the exponent and 5 is the, sorry, minus 5 is the base, because I have taken here minus 5. So base is minus 5 and value is 25. In the same way, if I will take some algebraic term, means a variable like a to the power 4, that is equal to a into a into a into a. Just like 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied 4 times. A to the power 4 means a multiplied 4 times. X to the power n means x multiplied n times. N means infinite number of times. X into x into x into x into x into x, it will continue. So here in this case, what is the base? A is the base and power is 4, and a to the power 4 is actually a to the power 4. X to the power n, n is the exponent, and x is what? X is the base here, and x to the power n is the value of x to the power n exponent. So this is what? This is the exponent. So the anything written in the form like a to the power x or x to the power n, then that is the exponential form for that particular term. Now next is that I have written here 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is what 5 to the power 5 to the power 4 is equal to this, and that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. So that is equal to 625. So here this 5 is what? 5 is the base, and 4 is what? 4 is the exponent. In the same way, a to the power x, when I write, it means a multiplied x times. So x is what? X is exponent and a is the base. And a multiplied x times means a into a into a into. So x, if x is 5, then a multiplied 5 times. When your exponent a to the power x, x is suppose so 6, so a multiplied 6 times, like that. And anything to the power 1 means 5 to the power 1 means just the 5. 3 to the power 1 is 3, x to the power 1 is x. Anything to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 4 to the power 0 is 1, x to the power 0 is also 1. Why it is this, I'll explain you later on. Now my question is, suppose you have to write this in the exponential form. 5, you have to write in exponential. So how many times it is written? First you have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So it means it is 5 to the power 5. And if one more 5 will come, then it will become 5 to the power 6. Okay. Now minus 7. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So exponential form is minus 7 to the power. When it is minus, you write here a bracket and then give the power 4. So this is the exponential form of this. Now 3 by 4, a fraction is there and it's exponential form. So you have to count how many times it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 by 4 is multiplied by itself 5 times. So it will be 3 by 4 to the power 5. So that is the exponential form of 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 multiplied 5 times. 3 by 4 to the power 5. So 5 is the exponent and 3 by 4 is the base. Here minus 7 is the base of this exponential form and 4 is the power. Okay. So this is all about how, when something is given, how you will write in the exponential form. Next is that find the value of 4 to the power 4. What is its value? Actually 4 to the power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. And that is equal to what? 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 16 4 ja 64, and that is 4 ja 256. Okay. Now next, minus 8 cube. Minus 8 cube means that is equal to minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is actually minus. Okay. And 8 8 ja 64, and 64 8 ja 512. I want to tell you one thing, that if the power is an even number, like here instead of 3, 2 is there, then your answer will be plus. And when if minus here and power is odd one, then your answer will be minus. When odd times a minus is multiplied, then the value will come out in minus. But when even time the minus value is multiplied, then it will come plus. For example, like here supporting this, I am writing here, okay, that minus multiplied by minus, then it will be plus. Again minus multiplied by minus, multiplied by minus, then it is minus. Again I will multiply it 4 times, then it will be plus. It means when even times minus negative sign appear, then your answer will be in plus. And when odd times the minus will appear, then it is actually minus. Now 3 by 5 whole square, that is equal to what? 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 it means. And its value, asking you the value. So 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Now minus 4 by 5 whole cube. Then it is equal to what? Minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. 3 times. Now since power is 3, it means the odd. So here your sign will be minus. Power odd, then sign will be minus. And 4 into 4 into 4 is 64 and 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So minus 4 by 5 whole cube is equal to minus 64 divided by 125. Okay. Now next is that we have to write, suppose a number is given to you and you have to write the 7 as a power of 7 or 49 as a power of 7 or 2401 as the power of 7. So what you will do, first you have to prime factorize whatever the number is given to you. So here 2401 is there. What I will do? Prime factorization method, I will factorize it. So 2401 divided by 7, then it is 343, then divided by 7, 49, again divided by 7, it will be 7, and again divided by 7, it is 1. So it is what? 7 appears for 4 times. So I can write 2401 as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So that is equal to what? 7 to the power 4. So this 2401, when I have to write in the power of 7, then it is 7 to the power 4. In the same way, 49, suppose I have to write as the power of 7. Then what I will do? 49, factorize it, prime fact 7 7 ja, and 7 1 ja. So therefore 49 is equal to what? 7 into 7, and that is equal to 7 to the power 2. That is 7 square. So 49 as the power of 7 is what? 7 square. Okay. Now only 7 as the power of 7. So very easy. 7 only it will go one time. So 7 is equal to 7 to the power 1. 7 is equal to 7 to the power 1. Next, this 81 is given and you have to write the in the as power of 3. So take 81, prime factorization by 3. So 3 to the 6, 3 7 ja, then 3 9 ja, and 3 3 ja. Okay. Then it means it is 4 times. So I can write 81 as equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So exponential form, it is 3 to the power 4. So 81 as power of 3 is what? 81 is equal to 3 to the power 4. So in this way, whenever a number is given, you have to write in terms of power. Then you do the prime factorization and then you can write in term exponential form. This is the same thing is there, but here the question little bit different way it is given. You have to write it 2401 as a power of 7, and here it is given that you have to write this in exponential form. So in exponential form, when you have to write this one as exponential in exponential form. 144. So what you will do? 144, start it with the prime factor, that is 2. Okay, 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja, again it will be divisible by 2, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, then 2 18 ja, 2 9, then 3 3 ja 9. So what I can write, that 144 is actually equal to 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 times, and 3 for 2 times. So exponential form of this 2 how many times? 4 times. So I can write instead of this whole 2 to the power 4. And these 3 appears for 2 times, so into 3 to the power. So that is the exponential form of 144. So exponential form of 144 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. Answer. Now next 630 I have to write in the exponential form. So 630, how I will write in exponential form? 630, again time factorize. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then it is divisible by 3. So 3 1 0 5. Then again 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 7 are 15. So what you observe, only 3 is appearing 2 times while others are only 1 time. So 630 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So that is equal to 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1 is your answer. Okay, now next one is, so this is how we will convert it into the exponential form. Now next is, on the basis of that, you have to simplify these. Simplify all these. Simplify this one. Okay. To simplify, this is what into and into is given. Minus 4 to the power 3 means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 3 times. So you will write it here, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 3 times. Okay. That is equal to. Now minus 1 8 times. So please don't write minus 1 8 times. What you will know, that I said to you, when here minus is there and here the even number is there, then you know minus 1 into 1 into 1 any times it is 1 only. 1 multiplied by itself and whatever the number of times it is 1. And since it is minus and power is the even, so your answer will be 1 here. Then into 3 square means 9, either you write directly or you write 3 into 3. And that is equal to what? Minus, again minus, it is odd times. So your answer will be minus. And 4 into 4, 16, 16 4 ja 64. Into 1 into 9. So that is equal to minus 596. Now the same is there, but it is in the fraction form. Then what I will do? 3 by 5 square means 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into, this is 1 by 3 but odd number. So obviously it will be minus, but still I am writing here 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 and 2 to the power 4. Then that is into, you have to write 2 4 times. So here you, I'm writing here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, and that is equal to what? Here this 3 will be cancelled by this 3 will be cancelled by this 3. So in the denominator it will be 1 into 1 into 1 and then 2 2. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. Numerator, sorry. And this one is 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. And this minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So this is your answer. Again this 3 by 5, 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Minus 1 by 3 I have written 3 times, then 2 I have written 4 times. Then cancelled, whatever, numerator multiplied by the numerator, so it will come 16, 5 5s are 25, into 3 75. Then 3 times minus is there, so odd times minus, so odd time, then it will be minus. Next 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied by 3 itself 4 times. You can directly write. You know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So write here 81. 3 to the power 4 value is 81. Plus 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4 3 times. So that is what? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Plus 5 into 5, that is 25. You can write directly or you can write, if not clear, you can write in this way also. 3 4 times plus 4 into 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Then you will get this value. Now this is plus, so add together 4, 5, 6, minus 25. Sorry, all are plus. Okay, plus. So that is equal to 5, 5, 10, 170. Directly also you can add all together. This is not required because all are plus. Now this is a last sum I will do for today. So 10 square, that is 100 for this class, and into anything to the power 0 is 1. So 5 to the power 0 is 1. Plus 3 square means 9 into 2 to the power 3 means 2 3 times. So it is 8. So 100 into 1 is 100 plus 9 8 are 72. So equal to 172 is the answer. So this is all about the exponent. Now next day we will do about the squares and cubes, then little bit, and about the laws of exponent or law of indices. Exponents are also known as indices. So we will do in the next class. So this is all about for this class, today's class.